Guys, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I just had my dinner and I'm still here at Kafji. Now I'm going to my car. I walk somewhere just to find a place to make pee. Now I'm going back to my car. I'm here at Kafji to buy washing machine because it has been a week since we pulled out our old washing machine for repair, and now I got the new one I bought here at Kafji. I got a brand new washing machine, and when I get back to our accommodation, I expect long queue of those colleagues who will wash their clothes, because it has been a week we haven't washed our clothes. Okay guys, here I am guys. I had roasted again. Last night I had roasted, and tonight I had roasted again. So this is the washing machine I got. It costs 1,500 something, and I got it with only 1,200, so I got a big discount from that store. We got a very big saving from this unit. Okay guys, I'm moving to Safania now. It's very cold outside. Wait a minute. Let me check my phone. Maybe someone sent message. I really like this this balabal. It makes you warm. I had my dinner with this roasted store. Look at this guys, the price of the gasoline is 1.65. It is 91. $1.65 liters per liter. Hello guys, imagine this sneakers is 2 real and this gasoline that we had is 1.96. This is much expensive than 1 liter of gasoline here. And also you know how much this is? This 1.5 liter of bottled water here, it costs only 2 real. This is 1.5 liter. It costs only 2 real. It costs 2 real one bottled water, which is 1.5 liters. Compared to this gasoline, per liter is 1.65. So this is much expensive than a liter of gasoline. So imagine how expensive the water is here and how cheap the gasoline is here in Saudi Arabia. So that is the truth of the matter. Okay guys, I just want to share with you guys these facts related here in Saudi Arabia. Okay guys, God bless. Imagine also this tea with milk I'm drinking now. This 1 cup of this drink costs 1 real. So 2 cups of tea with milk is much expensive than 1 liter of gasoline here, because these 2 cups will cost 2 real, while compared to the gasoline cost, which is 1.65 per liter. So imagine how cheap the gasoline is here compared to this 2 cups of tea with milk drinks. Okay, that's all guys. God bless. So guys, I have arrived to our accommodation. Just came from Kapji. At last, the long wait is over. Finally, we got our new washing machine. Because it's been a week, we have no washing machine. Our dirty clothes are piling up. Now we're able to wash our dirty clothes. And I'm sure our colleagues will be happy to know that finally I got the washing machine. And let us see the reaction when I bring them the good news. We have new washing machine.
Where?
See?
Oh my god, where it is?
What's your reaction?
Just ring.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am going to wash my clothes now.
No, I'll be the first.
Why you will be the first?
Because
just be on the line.
I got.
We'll make a serial number. We'll make a lot of, many of people.
Someone off the TV. Oh, everybody sleep. Hello guys. No one answer. Because it's very late. They're all sleeping now. This
What
side.
is car?
This side.
Ah, this new?
Yeah. Ask someone to help you.
New bro?
Ask someone to help you.
The one all sleep.
All sleep?
Yes.
Wake them
You
up.
and me go.
Safety officer.
Safety officer, one person. How he go?
Sichu.
You come,
Mr.
you come.
Sichu.
Sit.
I already brought that washing machine from Kafji. Should be someone else. Get someone else to carry this one.
Let's go and take it and sit here.
Go there. Open the
If
gate.
talk people, then they will come. We should first.
Yeah, open the gate.
Tomorrow morning you will not get any chance to wash the clothes.
I'm playing my video. They're all sleeping, so I have no choice but to help this guy offload the washing machine. Still early, but all sleeping now. What are you doing? What did you do?
I do nothing.
Take this.
This where you brought the mom?
No, from factory. We're going to unbox this washing machine.
Let's do it.
That's heavy, yeah? Faster.
Yalla.
Wait,
Oh, use your two hands.
I'm taking video. How can I? Yes. It's heavy, man. What happened? This. Not like this. But then
We have a new washing machine.
okay.
Oh my god.
What's
Why
this?
safety sir? Safety sir. Ah.
Open the box now. Get the scissor. The brand is Midea. Now we're opening the box. This guy is in a hurry to open the washing machine because he wants to go first in washing his clothes. And he has a violent reaction when I told him I'll be first to wash. See?
Oh, this is really nice.
Nice, huh?
Uh,
Come, take it out.
how to take it out?
Just remove the carton.
This?
Yeah.
From that side?
No. Should be here. Take it out. Don't stay forward. See guys, this is a nice washing machine. Take this out. This costs 1,200 yen.
Ah. How many kilo?
It's 10 kilo.
Hmm?
Put the hose here.
This red one, huh?
I don't know. Just connect everything.
This hot, maybe.
Take this out.
Hmm?
What happened?
This over here, Swiss.
It's nice model, huh?
Huh?
It's good.
But the normal one good, huh?
Huh?
This no.
Water all over the floor. It's all over. Because you get so excited to use the washing machine, huh?
Yes.
You forgot to install that hose draining. The drainage hose. See, it's water's all over the floor now.
This what is the book? Book, give me the book.
Where?
Huh?
Why you need the
There
book?
is one, this.
I don't know.
Last time I read the book.